What comes to mind when you think of the word rosé? I'm sure for many you think about wine, or the flower, or somewhere in France, or even the famous K-pop star Rosé. While those are all valid answers, when it comes to Korean cooking, rosé typically refers to sauces that have a spicy base infused with cream. In fact, it's such a popular flavor that theories even Rosé Tteokbokki. If you want to experience this trendy Korean food, here's how we make it. Let's make Rosé Tteokbokki. You can use either rice stock or wheat stock. Rice stock is chewier and firmer, while wheat stock is softer and soaks up the sauce better. We used wheat stock for this recipe. Parmesan cheese is optional. Feel free to add some according to your preferences. And if you don't have curry powder, you can simply skip it. Carefully loosen each piece of tteok. Soak them in cold water for about 10 minutes to soften. Julienne the onions and make shallow cuts into the sausages. When making the cuts, make sure to score the sausage on a single side and not on both sides. Cut the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Julienne the green onion and garlic into thin slices. Turn on the heat and preheat the pan. Place oil in the pan and cook the green onion, garlic and onions to infuse the aromatics into the oil. Cook the sausages and bacon until the bacon begins to curl. Pour 1 cup of water and the measured out tomato sauce, cream, and milk. Once it is brought to a boil, put in the tteok and the rest of the sauce ingredients and cook the mixture for 5 minutes. Put in dried red pepper flakes according to personal preference to adjust the spice level of the tteokbokki. Taste and check the consistency, then turn off the heat once it thickens. Transfer the finished tteokbokki to a serving bowl, sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top, and enjoy your tteokbokki.